got my PWM hooked up to my car, and I've set it up so that it actually drives my headlights. So my headlights are pulling approximately 15.3 amps. And let me show the setup here. So I've got my my meter, my poor man shunt, and my PWM. So the setup was a little daunting. I had to separate the grounds from my lights and then hook up the PWM between that and my new ground. Not too bad though. So I'm going to adjust the current limiter. Okay, so I've dropped it down to 15.1, and you can start hearing the buzzing of the pulse width modulator. So I'm going to bring that down to 10 amps. Okay. You can see they're getting dimmer and dimmer. My current's down to 4.3 amps. And the duty cycle just went to 0. So I've choked off all the current. Okay, I'm at 9 amps, 12 amps, 14, the switcher's about ready to shut off. Switcher's off, current's maxed out at 15.1 amps. My battery must be draining a little bit. Okay, now I'm adjusting the duty cycle by itself. We're currently at 100%. Current limiter is not on. And it's just beginning to limit. Can't imagine that a cell would, its cell current would increase more than 1/3 of the max. So, limit it at 50% to be extreme. Okay, well, we're dropping half the power across the switcher. Of course, it's on and off, so we're not losing that power. And this thing is stone cold. I can't feel any heat from it. This is really nice. I'm afraid my my batteries are going to get a little low. I was thinking of maybe starting up the engine. I noticed when I do that the voltage goes up, of course, and that causes my current to increase a bit. So I think I'm going to run this for about 10-15 minutes, and I give you maybe 2 updates of temperature, and then we're going to call it good for now. So check back. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes with the engine running. My current has been stable at 8.7 amps, and I can feel no significant difference between the cold case, my car. It's all about the same temperature. I can definitely feel the lights, they're nice and warm. My terminals are a little warm, a little loose. Stone cold. When I mean stone cold, it was snowing this morning. It's probably 36 degrees right now, 37. Alright, so we're going to take the duty cycle back up. Okay. With that charge, we're running at almost 16 amps. Okay. I'll bring back down the current limiter. Well, that's where I'm at so far. 15 amps, 36 degrees outside, no heat coming off of, no appreciable heat coming off the case. That's a very positive sign. So that's it for now. This is H2O2 from H2O, signing out.